Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare green rice in family style. So guys can see all the items here. Can see the parboiled rice. Can see the grain. Already cut it and wash it very well. Make sure you wash the grain very well because of the sand. Already wash it. And here I have crayfish. Have tomato, that is tin tomato paste. Here I have Maggi seasoning and salt. Here I have onion and pepper and vegetable oil. So the pot is on the fire already. Now pour the vegetable. Pour the oil. You allow the oil to hot before you put in your onion and other things. Now pour the onion. You put the onion, allow it to fry before you put the other things. Now put the tomato, sliced tomato, sliced tomato. Now put pepper so that all of them will fry together. You allow it to fry before you. Now pour the crayfish. Pour the Maggi seasoning and the onion, salt. You fry them together. You fry them together. You now put your water. If you have stock, you can use stock. If you don't have stock, you add ordinary water, but make sure you season it so that the rice will get taste. So I'll add water. Add little water. I'll now cover it. I'll allow the water boil. I'll allow the stock boil before putting the rice. It's done. It's boiled now. Now putting the rice. After you put the rice, you cover it. But when the rice done, the grain is the last item that you enter last. So I will cover it now, like 15 minutes to done. So after the rice is done, before I will put the grain, I will show you when I'll put it. Keep watching. So guys, let's check the rice. Wow, very yummy. It's time now to put the grain. So when you put the grain, you off the light and you cover it like 2 minutes. Then you bring it down. So I'll now cover it now for 2 minutes. So let's check the rice. Wow. So guys can see how it be. Don't allow the vegetable to overdone. Can see it. It's ready to eat. So you can now dish and eat. So that is all for green rice in family style. So thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, you see all my videos to help you, your family, your wife, your sister, your loved one. So that is all for my green rice family style. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.